Hi there, it's me Chris again and welcome to another episode of 8downloads.com software preview. And today we are going to discuss a very unique game. It's called Gbrainy. And if you are a parent or someone who wants to expand your memory or enhance your memory, then I suggest you download this free application from 8downloads.com. So if you're already on our site, all you have to do is go to the search bar here located at the upper right and just type in Gbrainy and click on the search button. Now you will proceed to the search area and you will find the full review button here. Now before downloading the file, I suggest you read the full review. When you're done reading the full review, let's go ahead and click the download now button. Save the file and install the file. Once your download is complete, all you have to do is just double click on the installation file. And of course, all you have to do is just click on next. I agree, install, and let's wait for the setup to finish the whole process. Now this time, all you have to do is just wait and let's test. There you have it, you have successfully installed Gbrainy. Now let's try to test the program. And there you go, it's already running. And this is a great program brought to you by 8downloads.com. This is me, Chris, saying have a great day.